What's up, guys? This year we are learning how to process our own lamb. We usually take our lamb to a somewhat local butcher shop, but they caught on fire last year and they're not planning on rebuilding. And unfortunately, there isn't anywhere close around us that actually process sheep.
A couple days ago, me and Gavin shot 2 of our rams. They're about 1.5 years old. They've been hanging for a couple days and they're ready to be processed the rest of the way down. Since they are like 1.5 years old, they're not going to be real tender. So what we're going to do is turn all of the meat into ground meat. So our freezer's almost empty of ground meat. So both of these rams are going to be turned into burger. This ram most of the way cut up. Now we're just going to start deboning it and start running all the meat through the grinder.
So we got a new grinder that we're going to test out today, and we have the different stations set up here. So we're going to cut it into smaller pieces, move it on to the grinder, and then we also bought a cool little thing that helps package it and seal it. So we're going to get to work.
Here we go. This is the grinder we bought yesterday. It's an LEM brand. It's 1/2 horsepower, I believe, and it is what they call the double cut. Or double grind. So it grinds it twice before it comes out here. So as it comes out the tube, it's ready to go right into one of these bags. We got the 1 pound bags to freeze it in, and then there's this little tape dispenser, so you'll twist the bag shut when it's ready, and you just go clink, and it seals the bag up. Pretty cool. Should make it nice and easy.
Is that your job?
Sure.
And then into the freezer it goes.
Yep. The box freezer.
Yeah, sure.
What are you doing?
Cleaning it up a little bit. It's got some extra stuff we don't need.
Okay, cool.
So, who's gonna do?
All right, so basically,
You want to do that?
let's start.
I'm gonna turn it on.
Let's start getting as much meat off these back legs as possible. Just grab the back leg.
So like these?
Yeah, just cut a strip off. If there's hard pieces on it, we want to get that off. Here, hold this piece of meat. All right, set that on here. Yeah, that'll go in the grinder.
I can hold the part if you need something.
Oh yeah, you can hold it and hold it down on that one side. Just don't cut fingers.
Hold mine. I'm gonna cut all this silver stuff. No, this right here.
This.
Hold it. Hold on.
I'm guessing I won't be involved in the cutting.
No, hell. Heck
No.
no.
You're gonna cut yourself.
These are really sharp.
She cuts herself all the time.
You're gonna cut your finger off. Roughly.
I'll
Okay.
stay for the grinding and the cutting.
Hold that, please.
Here, down through it. Wait, it's right here. It's the bone. Alright, so first, I started right next to that bone, tip of my knife. And you kind of just feel where the bone goes.
Hold it.
That's on this side. It doesn't matter. It's all coming off anyway. So once you get a good little groove started in there, just keep following. You'll feel that bone with the tip of your knife. Put a strip in there. Here, you can use your hand. Here, do like this. And in there.
Yeah, fill that up again.
Put another strip in it. And you say, put your strips in. Keep feeding it.
Oh, see, there it goes.
Don't push it real hard or it'll clog it up.
Slowly but surely going.
Keep going.
I think it needs to push it.
Just keep filling it up.
Okay, now put more in. There it goes, there. Your fingers. There we go. Careful with your fingers.
Can't grab it.
And just stick it there and then use that. There you go. Okay.
Think for me?
Yep.
Put another splash in there. Keep feeding. Think that's enough? So how do we stop it?
Shut the power off.
Yes, shut it off. Let's see.
Alright, stop.
Yeah, do like that. That's what you're doing.
Alright, then,
Yeah, there you go. So you squeeze that.
and then we go over here. So do I run it through here?
That is.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Here,
Okay,
Dad.
hang on, I want to show them. Ready?
Perfect.
Squeeze something here.
I'm gonna get a lot of heat up here.
Definitely don't want air. Air's what causes freezer.
Freezer, what?
And we want it to be thin though, don't we, for some bait?
Ooh.
Okay.
Pretty fun.
So,
Here's our first pound. That's cool.
alright, so let me try something.
Okay.
Alright, so do I, okay. Do I,
Yeah.
come on. Here we go.
You
That's
cut
it.
it and everything.
That's perfect. Check that. Yeah.
Good.
That's good.
Here, come on.
We might need a trap bump. We might need a trap bump.
It got cut real close to the tape.
Is that not a good thing?
There's a lot of air in there.
Well, that was our first test one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Hey, here we go.
I don't know, this might be too big, wide.
Okay. It's okay.
You cut down?
Nope. See, you just gotta really push it in. Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut a big chunk of
Push
it.
down so this starts. There it goes.
I was expecting it to be a lot wider than what it is. There we go.
Stop it there. Oh, no, that won't come out. This one got a little more. Okay, now stop it.
This one's a little more full, Dad.
No, it's okay, because I just need to push it down. We'll figure out how to do this.
Have that, make sure that nozzle's like all the way to the inside of the bag. You know?
Mm-hmm. I was.
I don't know how to eliminate the air out of it. Try to cut the tail off.
Ready? Boom.
Looks good. That one's a little more than a pound. Right here, this marks the pound, but.
It's fine, right?
Oh yeah, it's fine. Yep,
Oh,
we're learning.
I want to wait on when we're done.
Okay, one thing we decided that we're going to do is take the liver and the heart and actually grind it up in with the burger. We actually like eating the heart and liver, but this is just an easy way to incorporate it if you don't like it. So we're gonna do that just for something different, and then also keep some of the liver to make like liver and onions we like to make. Okay, so I just looked up how to help keep the air out of the bag, and before had the bag about here, and it said to actually put it up more so it's kind of crinkled up here, and then I'm gonna hold more tension on the bag as it's filling up to help keep those air bubbles out. And that actually worked. So.
Alright, let's turn it on. There we go.
Cut yourself?
Turn it off.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That was about right out of pound.
So that's perfect.
Yeah. so, and we did 2 of our rams and ended up with how many pounds?
About 50,
Yeah, roughly 50 pounds.
right about 50 pounds of ground meat.
Yeah.
And then we also got the liver, the heart, and is that right? Yeah,
Back up.
and the backstrap.
What about the Rocky Mountain oysters?
Oh yeah,
yeah.
forgot about that. We got the Rocky Mountain oysters. We got to get froze too.
Yeah.
You guys did really good. I'm proud of you. That was hard work. Me and Dylan had like the easy job.
Yeah.
It was fun and it's pretty awesome. We raised these sheep from babies to butcher weight
Mm-hmm.
and actually figured out how to grind it up ourselves and put it in the freezer.
We got 3 rams left that we're gonna do in the next several weeks. So, and then we had 12 babies
Now we're gonna
Yeah.
have to
that'll be raised up for next year. Holy cow!
do
Good
12.
stuff.
It's a lot.
I'm ready for dinner.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in raising sheep yourself, check out these videos here.
See ya.
Peace.